Hey guys, Alexandra here, and as you can see, we are filming in a new place or location. I have a new background for you guys. So comment down below and let me know what you guys think about it, because I'm not really sure how I feel about it yet. I don't know if I like this one better or the old one better. So again, I want to make you guys happy. You know you come first. So comment down below. Let me know what you guys think of it. Today, we are going to be doing our August 2019 BoxyCharm unboxing and try on. This is the look that I created with this box. So definitely stay tuned. We are getting ready to get into that. But first, I wanted to give a real quick thank you and shout out to Tammy. Thank you so much. Look at this necklace, you guys, that she made. This is a Harley Quinn necklace and Harley Quinn earrings. I was so excited and so happy when I opened my mailbox today and saw these inside. I was like, oh, you guys know how much I love Harley Quinn. So anyways, let's go ahead and open this bad boy up and try it on. Okay, so I'm sure this is not your first BoxyCharm unboxing video, so I'm not going to go through the usual stuff. You guys know the drill, and I need to get some products on this face because this does not look cute without some makeup on it. All right, are you guys ready? Let's begin. So this month's box is called Totally BoxyCharm, and as you can see, hopefully you guys can see, I have received variation 2. All right, so the first product in here, because we need some products on our face, is the Wonder Beauty Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil. I really apologize, you guys. It is so bright in here, so I hope you guys can see that, because this is like a really pink, bright pink bottle with like gold writing on it. So this right here, retail values for $42. It said is a multitasking beauty elixir that instantly hydrates and absorbs into the skin, revealing a bouncy, youthful complexion, which I'm all about. So let's go ahead. I can get that tape off my hand. And oh my God, you guys see that? It's like pink, literally pink. I hope you guys can see that. All right, so let's and get something on this face because it needs it so much. It feels pretty good. It's like, it's not, I kind of thought that this was going to be the same as like the no problem stuff, but it actually feels a little differently. Like the no problem kind of like was a little more watery. And this feels like as you're rubbing it in, it's like, I don't know, it's weird. It's like almost like it thickens, you know, and it kind of leaves like a tacky base. And it's weird, it's got like little, I don't know, like little like sparkly things. It almost like leaves your skin kind of like sparkly, you know what I'm saying? You guys know what I'm saying? Hopefully you know what I'm saying. All right, I'm gonna throw on some foundation and stuff, and then we will move on to our next product. So I almost went a little bit too far. You know how you just get to put your makeup on, you get in the zone. That's kind of what happened, and I almost forgot about our next product, which is this right here. And this is an amazing product. I was like so happy and excited for you guys when I actually saw this product was gonna be in this month's BoxyCharm. So this is the Becca Hydra Mist and Refresh Powder, and this retails for $39. Now, I will tell you guys, I actually already own this powder. I have talked to you guys about it in so many videos. I will actually link one of them up here. Now, keep in mind, it's one of my older videos before we got the studio, but it is still an amazing video. So this is an absolutely amazing powder, especially if you have like more aged skin, I should say. I'm gonna say this very lightly, but if you have a lot of creasing, a lot of wrinkles under your eyes, or if you are very, very dry, this is a talc-free powder. It is literally, it feels wet. Like when you dip your brush into it, it literally feels cool when you apply it. Like, oh my God, it just, and I forgot how, I mean, I used to use, when I found this powder last year, I got hair on my face. When I found this powder last year, you guys, this was literally a breakthrough because I could not use powder underneath my eye at all. I could not use powder to set my makeup because it dried me out so bad, but this fills your pores, it blurs everything out very, very well. It is very, very hydrating. Like I said, it does have no talc in it. This is just such an amazing powder. Like I said, especially if you have more aged skin or more dry skin. And it's just so amazing how it feels just cool. Like you can actually feel the wetness as you put it on. Oh my God, like my hair is just going everywhere. I don't know what is going on the last few days. I don't know if I'm like just shedding like crazy or what, but anyways, back to the powder. This is an amazing product. So I was, like I said, very excited to see that we were getting this. So I'm gonna put mine that I got in this BoxyCharm in a giveaway. I did get the same exact shade that I have in here. So I will open it up and show you guys so you can see. So yes, I have a super, super nice giveaway planned for you guys, and this is gonna go with that. And just to let you guys know, I actually have 2 other giveaways for you guys going on right now that I will link at the end of this video. So I'm going to put my bronzer on real quick and then we will go to our next product. All right, so I'm starting to feel a little more like myself, so not quite there yet, but we're getting there. So let's move on to our next product, which are these little things, and I'm actually really curious about these. So these are the Ace Beauty Glimmer Shadow Duos. These retail for $25 for the actual duo themselves, and I'm really excited. So I got the colors, this is Cotton Candy, and these just, oh yeah, these like look and feel just like, oh yeah, like the Super Shock shadows from like Colourpop. If you guys can see, I mean, it's just gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. Ah, very, very cute, very, very cute. Okay, so, and that actually swatched very differently. Like it looks a lot darker in here, but it like swatched a lot lighter of a pink. So, because I was like, cotton candy, really? But it actually does kind of look like a cotton candy pink as it's swatched. And then this one is, let's see, Ice Latte right there. And it kind of looks like a golden-y color. Oh yeah, that one's even more wet and like, do you guys see that? Like it's just like a Super Shock shadow. I mean, you guys are getting some pretty great products, I will have to say, in this month's box. I mean, quite frankly, just the Becca powder itself made this box totally worth it. But these are, I mean, they feel and look just like a Super Shock shadow. So, you know, I'm gonna try it out. So we're gonna try this cotton candy pink. I don't know if it's gonna go with my outfit, but we're just gonna go for it. So I went ahead and like just put some bronzer like on my crease. So we're just gonna apply it just like we would a Super Shock shadow and see what happens. Kind of do one of those, you know, just like one and done kind of things. Y'all know what I'm saying? So that actually turned out really, really cute, you guys. And I'm telling you, these are just like the Super Shock shadows. I mean, like almost verbatim, like even down to the packaging and the size of the packaging. I mean, just look at that. This is a Super Shock shadow. This is the Ace Beauty. So these two of them were $25 again, and they apply, feel. So I will tell you all, if you do not own or have not ever owned a Super Shock shadow before, make sure you screw the lid on extremely tight so they don't dry out. But other than that, they last amazing and I love them. I actually just did a video about those where I'm giving away some. So again, I will link that at the end of this video. Let's move on to our next product, which is this right here. It is the Tarte Big Ego. Let's see. Yes, the Tarte Big Ego Mascara. It MSRPs for $23. Now, I will tell you guys, I actually own this, but I cannot find it anywhere. Like, I looked everywhere for it, and I don't know what on God's green earth I did with it, but it is very, very pretty. It's actually a pretty good mascara. I mean, it's not my favorite by any means, but it is a pretty good mascara. So I wanted to put this one in a giveaway with the Becca powder, which I'm going to do. Again, I apologize. I could not find mine, but it's actually very, very similar to the Better Than Sex mascara. So for today's purposes, since I can't find my Big Ego, we're just gonna use the Better Than Sex. Okay, so far so good. Last but not least, we have this right here, which is the Steve Laurent lip liner. And I do think that this is actually a wooden lip liner, which I'm not mad about because I do have some great wooden lip liners, like, don't get me wrong, but I haven't been, my cap is literally stuck in the plastic. I really haven't been a huge fan of Steve Laurent DLS, Bang Beauty, and what is that, Luna by Luna. They're all owned by the same company, so I'm not just a big fan of their stuff normally, but we will try it out and see what happens. So here we go. I mean, do you guys see that? Like that, I mean, it's just not creamy at all. Like, maybe if I, like, do you see how it's like building up like on my hand, like flaking off? Like, this is just, it's definitely not that I'm hating on Steve Laurent's products. Like, I'm just even having like a hard time doing the like my Cupid's bow and stuff. This is just not a great formula. I'm like really having to push. Yeah, I'm not really a fan of that, you guys. Like, I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm not a fan of that at all. So I'm going to use my Alamar lip gloss, which I am a fan of, that I got last month. Okay, let's recap and give you guys my final thoughts on these products. So the Wonder Beauty Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil, I did actually really enjoy that. I mean, I really enjoyed the last face oil essence that we had received, but I really, really liked this one. It made my skin actually feel very different, very, very hydrating. Again, I will have to try it out a few more times to really give a full review on it, but so far so good. I was very excited, as you guys know, to receive the Becca. I was so happy for you guys because this is such an amazing product, an amazing powder, and so many of you guys are gonna get this. And I mean, as I said, this thing full size, as this size right here, is $39. So this is just, the whole entire box is worth this. I mean, because you're paying $21 plus tax for this box, and I mean, you're saving more than $10 on this powder alone. So just to receive this powder alone, this box is totally worth it. Okay, the next thing let's talk about are the Ace Beauty Glimmer eyeshadows. Again, these things were just like dupes for the Colourpop Super Shock shadows, and I have never I told you guys in the last Colourpop video that I did, I've never used anything like it until today. These are just like, I mean, they're like dupes. It's amazing, quite frankly. So again, I mean, this box is totally worth it just for these, because for this duo, it's $25. The next product we received is the Tarte Big Ego Mascara. I didn't get to try this on today because for some odd reason I couldn't find mine, and I didn't want to just open this to waste it when I could put it in a giveaway for you guys and have something amazing for you. But I will tell you, this is going to be hit or miss with some people, because some people like Better Than Sex, some people don't, and to me, this formula feels very much like the Better Than Sex formula by Too Faced. So again, I feel like it's going to be hit or miss with some people, but I mean, it's not a bad mascara at all, and it is a great product to receive in this box. Totally worth it, I feel like, but again, that's my opinion. And last but not least, let's talk about the Steve Laurent lipstick, lip pencil. I'm not always a huge fan of lip pencils, and for this very reason right here. Now, some wooden lip pencils are amazing. There are some very amazing wooden lip pencils. This one, though, is not one of them. I mean, this was just very, very dry. I'm like just so surprised still at it was just, I'm not a big fan of Steve Laurent's stuff. Like his lipsticks, I'm not a fan of. Now his lip pencil I've tried, I'm not a fan of. I'm just not really a fan of his products, or really DLS. Well, DLS highlighters are pretty great. So other than that, I'm just not really a fan of their products. So all in all, this box was totally worth it. It's $144 value if my math is correct, because I cannot find my calculator. But yeah, it's a great box, and I totally feel like this month was worth it. I mean, it wasn't, you know, a hit way out of the park, but for some people, I know for some people were complaining about it, but for me personally, again, I just want to stress, receiving this powder in this box made this thing 125% worth it. And you also got Colourpop Super Shock Shadow dupes, which again, I feel like just these two products alone absolutely hit this box out of the park. But that's my opinion, so let me know yours down below. I am going to go ahead and link both of my giveaway videos for you guys, and I will see you next time, because we've got the box coming, we've got Ipsy Glam Bag Plus coming, so many great boxes coming. Oh, Bijou Beauty Box is hitting it out of the park this month, you guys, so we've got that coming. I will see you guys next time. Love you. Bye.